Hey everyone, what's up? On the Wellwellers channel today, I'll show you how to merge videos on a laptop. Open any browser and type in merge video online. There it is. Go to any site. Sure. Here we select the files we want to merge. Click Open. Here we choose how we want to merge the videos and click the Export button. There we go. And then we hit the download button. And just like that, you've downloaded your merged video. This has been Wellwellers. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.